that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I've made it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Má dùng cái đầu của mình đây. Mày. Sao được?
Exaggerated, that's